Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to track Flipkart order. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flipkart account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Flipkart? It's pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice, and once you do that, in the search bar, type flipkart.com. And after doing that, just follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account in the Flipkart website itself. So after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flipkart. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to track Flipkart order. Now, from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have this option. So if you have signed up successfully, you're going to find your profile page. You're going to see my account. So instead of login, so click on that, and now you're going to find my profile, Flipkart Plus Zone, orders, and wish list. You have rewards, you have gift cards. So go ahead and click on orders, and that is going to take you right into the orders window. So here it says access your order history, but I cannot because I need to log in. I need to create an account. So if you've created an account already, you're not going to see this. It's just going to take you right into the order window. So from your order window, you're going to find all of your orders in there. So just select the order that you want to track, and after clicking on the order, you'll be able to see the tracking status just right there on the or right there on top of the page. So come over here to order, select your order. It's going to take you to the next window where you have all your order details. Now on top of the order details page, you're going to see your order status or your order tracking status. Now the status include ordered, shipped, out for delivery, and delivery. So if it is set to ordered, it means it has been ordered. It has been set if it has been set to green and shipped, rather, it means it has been shipped. If it is set to out for delivery, it means already out for delivery. And it has been set to delivery, it means it has been delivered. So you're going to see a green line that is showing, that will show the status of your order. The green line is just going to be tracking it from the side. So this is pretty much how you can track your Flipkart order. Now you can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.